Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to set up or change your WhatsApp username. To begin, open WhatsApp on your phone. Tap on the three dots in the top right corner and then select Settings. Once you're in Settings, tap on your profile at the top of the screen. You will see your current name displayed there. Tap on it to edit. Now, enter the name you want others to see on WhatsApp. This will be your display name, and you can change it at any time. Even if WhatsApp shows a message saying this is not a username or a PIN, you can ignore it and simply save the name. If someone still cannot see your name, there is one more thing you should check. Go back to Settings, then open Privacy. Tap on Last Seen and Online. Temporarily set both options to everyone. Wait a few seconds, then go back. This helps refresh your visibility settings. After this, ask the other person to reopen WhatsApp or check the chat again. Your name should now appear correctly. This is how you can easily set up or change your WhatsApp name. Thanks for watching.